New Year. We've got Sean here again. It's actually 10th of January already, yeah. We've got a grey floor. That's the last time you see that floor.
10 days later, and you can see it's the first time in the workshop you've done something. Because the cam hasn't been out.
Yeah. I've been working hard. Been pretty busy to start this new year. We've painted the floor, which lasted 20 minutes. Okay, Kenny wants to talk here. Sean is working on his rather lovely Audi. Nice and shiny now. You just go, what is that? Multi-stage enhancement, paint enhancement, two-stage polish. And then we'll do the ceramic coating, maybe. We got roof wrapped as well. So roof wrap is wrapped, and then we'll be doing the side skirts at the bottom there as well. Looking good. This one is one of the local dealers and came up to us to get that chrome piece wrapped, which have seen better days. So we need to try to take that off and sand it down, get it wrapped in gloss black, and yeah, maybe wrap it red, because everything is red in this car. Get more red.
We might have the same red from now on.
Yeah. Diffuser for Fiesta ST, which is gonna be installed tomorrow, and a couple on the new floor. On the new floor, yeah. This floor it's been here what, 2 days, 3 days, 3 days, 4 days. 4 days. That's not working either. The white floor was yellowing, and even now the company said it was, so it was a waste of money. So, but now we've got a new floor coming in, 700 kilograms of it. And it's a rubber floor, so we'll be rolling that out later, and we'll get Sean to take the car out somewhere home. We'll find a space, we'll move it. Anyway, let's get some work done.
And I'm all low, stuck in the middle, going on for sure. Hey, lose the rhythm with me, dance, take it chill, yeah, pick your pace. I'm just hanging with my friends. Oh hey, get your groove on, make it sway. Do your thing, boy, it's okay. I think we'll be more than friends.
Morning, boys. Morning. He's running away. So for Fiesta, for rear diffuser changeover, so we've got the bumper off, and we've wrapped the diffuser in red. So that's it there, that's going onto that car. This one is here for a bonnet rewrap and a headlights change. So the client's got a new headlights, more like a Mustang mod style, and that wrap's been actually for about 2 years now on the car. And there's got stone chips on the bonnet. There's stone chips here as well. You can see actually orange coming through. We'll probably leave that panel for now. See what we can do with it. But that's the vinyl off the bonnet. Paint's still in a good condition. It's all protected. And that's how we do the 3D embossed effect. We put a sticker on and then we wrap over it, and then you get like a effect. So we've got Nissan Qashqai with lots of buffer trails.
You need to take it out in the sun. Then you'll see it properly.
Yeah, you can still see it. We don't have sun, it's winter. So, we'll put some lights back on. We've got a new floor, it's all black, so it's so dark. So dark. Oh, look, you can, in my camera, it looks like there's actually proper light coming through those ceiling things. So we get some lights coming through. So, whee! Focus. So, new floor still in progress, still waiting to settle in and get back in. Third time lucky, they say, so hopefully it will be alright. Knees are buggered now. So we've got that extra, the cash guy, and then we've got the Ford Ranger outside. Hopefully we'll be finished today.
Celebrate, celebration, celebrate, 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 celebration, celebrate. Hey, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad in the corner of my glass.
Morning! No, actually afternoon. Another Nissan Qashqai. There was a brownie kind of shade last week. There was enhancement. Kenny had the pleasure of doing a yeah, it was a really heavy cut on the other one because it was quite deep scratches, and then which in the cut was leaving quite pretty bad haze, so I had to refine it with fine polish, which means it was going to enhancement. So this one is not as bad, it's a different color as well. Well, saying no, it's not as bad. There's a quite deep scratches here, there's just a couple of ones left, but it was like someone rubbing with something really. There's actually, yeah, they're still quite here, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know if you can catch them on the camera. Yeah, it's rounded off, but you should have seen. I might have a picture or something, or a video on other camera. So I don't think it was a picture. No, video. Video, yeah. So see if I can do something with that. But cutting one out, the doors in here now. Let's have a look. Let's we go here. So obviously that's what that looks like. And it's got a big long scratch all the way along here. You can see that long scratch. And those doors were, well, partially polished, so obviously you can see the big difference already. Wish I could stop the flickering, but I think it's just white. So still got to do the bottom piece here and the top, but there was a long scratch going all the way along that as well. Morning, actually afternoon. It's been a few weeks since the last video. It's just been crazy busy. I've got a feature videos which I need to edit and obviously upload, but with the vlogging I think I'm just gonna do when and I can. So just a quick update. Today we've got this Jeep which is back again. You had I think it was December, which we couldn't get a vinyl, so he's back in again. Start stripping it again to do the full wrap on that. A workhorse which is gonna be polished, detailed, and it was going to be out for sale. And this Nissan Qashqai is just now finished, waiting for collection. It was a single stage machine polish. We had another Qashqai last week for enhancement as well. Actually came out really nice. And in the waiting room we've got something else. We've got bonnet for M4 that we had last year for a full wrap. And she's again changing the carbon, changing the bonnet because it's a carbon bonnet now. So the nice vent. So that's been painted. So we're gonna be wrapping that in the orange color that the color is wrapped in. And then that's coming on Wednesday to get it installed. And a couple other bits and bobs like skirting, side skirts done, valet and stuff like that. So a couple of few things, checking the vinyl, making sure the wrap is still holding pretty good. So just waiting for clients now to come in, get the Qashqai out, and we're gonna start stripping Jeep and start cleaning, polishing the L200. And Kenny is here still, and he just had 2 pizzas for his lunch.
No, don't.
He left on my desk, and I'm on a diet, so I can't do things like that, you know.
Let's.
Okay, so
No. Oh. Right, pass it here. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Thank you. Right, let's rephrase this. We said we're going to have pizza for lunch. You can see how he's blushing already. Okay. Oh, there's his finger again. He's running away now. So it was 2 pizzas for £19.89. Normal size pizzas and all of that. But then there was a special one which he liked. 3 pizzas for £17, which is a good price. Don't get me wrong there.
There's one topping only.
But he's been one topping only. He's on a diet. Okay. This is how much he's had. Okay, they're my 2.
Yeah, it's only half, you see?
That's there.
Yeah, and you had the whole pizza.
That's Chris's half of 1 pizza.
That's his pizza.
And that's the amount he had again.
Pizza. He's not here, so he lost out.
So the diet, as you can see, okay, don't breathe in, breathe out. It's going extremely well.
I've got bonnet to wrap. Let's get this bonnet cleaned up. And we might wonder why are we here? Because it's nice and warm. And I need a nice warm place to wrap it. And it's winter and it's cold out there.
Boy, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad. Oh yeah. Don't be me. You're here all alone and you know it. Hang on, 'cause we're gonna turn it up. Don't you
Busted. Diet's going well, Chris. And it is, what's the time? Half past 3, and he's eaten again.
Just one.